I take pleasure in conveying this message to the entire dealer fraternity of IT across Karnataka state. Now, the idea of structuring FIDAC, Federation of IT Dealers Association Karnataka, started in the month of April this year, and the association got installed with office bearers during June. That is precisely on June 10th in Mysore it happened. We have our action plan to go in two phases. Number one is constitution of FIDAC with the appointment of all office bearers with representations and representatives from across the state from various districts. We have classified Karnataka state into 6 zones. We will have due representation from all the zones, each zone consisting of 3 to 4 districts. The first step is consolidating the association with its protocols, the modus operandi, the mechanism, how it will work. This will be the first phase. Second phase, we intend to start some action, that is rolling on some programs that would be beneficial to across the state dealer fraternity. We welcome all the districts to start their associations. By starting up their own associations, they are getting benefited locally, and by having their own associations locally, they can align with the FIDAC. FIDAC at a very nominal cost will allow the district association to become its member. So unity is strength. There are a lot of issues for which the united stand will pay a lot of dividends. Basically, FIDAC aims to operate on agenda which is totally different from district association's agenda. Obviously, there is no point in duplicating or repeating same jobs what district association does. FIDAC need not have to do. And definitely, FIDAC had drawn the inspiration from CONFED-ITA, which is an association in our neighboring state Tamil Nadu. We had seen the success of CONFED-ITA in the last 6 years. It had scaled heights and it had delivered goods. On the similar lines, definitely FIDAC wants to operate. And subsequently, FIDAC also would like to go hand in hand with the neighboring state associations to consolidate our strengths in terms of delivering goods to dealer fraternity.